Hi friends, I just received my Athletic non-alcoholic brew beer, Athletic Lite. I ordered a light one because I like very light beers. It's the first time I order a non-alcoholic beer. The look outside, well, it's just like a regular beer, but it says everywhere, non-alcoholic brew. It do contain some alcohol. It says contains less than 0.5% alcohol. So it's a non-alcoholic, but it do contain some small alcohol. Let's see, let's open it. It's already cold. As you can see, it feels like a regular beer. Okay. Let's try it. It's great. It tastes like a home brew beer, but it's light. I like it like that. I don't like those strong flavor beers. This is great. It does the job. Thanks.